Show you the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.